Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Na yenhwe ne me ba o ne me bisa ne say ojidi yesa Ghana ya ready ya crado for a female whether president or vice president.
Before me responding to that, me react to few things that work. First of all, John Dramani Mama or a nipa with an impeccable integrity. The integrity is intact. Kata share any project. You see, the issue is that the MPP together with the media created a certain image for Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Oba Aban-Munu, Manasa Azure can say, it appears say, or yet say, circle for Omudi Kim Soup, Omo share package be say a brand new iPhone, Tomau. That is how Nana do it. Or a Kim Soup, packaging. He is not what he is. Look, Mami Bia. Say Nana, say John Dramani Mama. Owa Aban-Munu. Extent of accusation omu yet ekutia no. Say nukrea. He is out of power for almost close to 4 years now. Now as we speak now, omo antimi emfa subo embono. And I'm saying that say who are opposition and you are making an allegation, it's understandable. Who are to me? Iroko is under your control. Police is under your control. BNI is under your control. National security is under your control. In spite of all these institutions, you have even the gut to sit on radio and make allegation against individual.
Special prosecutor office.
Exactly. Oh yes, sir. Now we MPP ni. We MPP ni. Now we allegation. You are insulting the intelligence of 53% of the people who voted for you. You make such same allegations are omu jitum etumau. Omu tumau no. What they expect of you no say. What they are dancing evidence impeccable. Now who this are dancing no bechino. Now Ghana sika uka say wa we no ubeji every nisa. As we speak now, we are going into another election, and you think the people who you lie to against John Dramani will listen to you. I am saying that compare Nana Addo and John Mahama. John Mahama is clean, more than the word clean. I am saying on authority. And if they have any contrary evidence, they should produce it. That is just by the side. Okay. Now, another issue, what kind of throw? Say, under Jane Opoku Ajima. Wa cancel ni. You see,
Uncle Bon,
before kura mami no be vice kura na me ni University of Cape Coast ma ka chiro so me wura University of Cape 2001 so me ka chiro say enye na sabi o me but enye no kure say ya cancel book and research allowance enye no kure go and check. John Dramani Mama administration never cancel book and research allowance. Call lecturers and find out. Okay. The argument you say you consolidate into their you can say salaries. Now you can say who koye researcher at least bring idea lecturers who koye. Now you amount. You sit here you are talking about proper management of the public purse. Aban the steps in share about say the situation where we give money just like that without any evidence of research. You per se you make sure say at least you man now for so was ask kanunua. What hana who bastardize that way. Now another issue what can say you cancel allowances for teachers and also a intro. Okay. A intro. Listen.
Okay, be busy or be tro let it be.
Meba. Let her know do sa memo my address but me say intro say MPP before utie mu emo justification for free senior high school utie ba omi o see ona na niba betina fie say what is asem no Obisai, whose child should sit at home, making a case for the wholesale admission of students into the senior high school. Yes, sir. Now, at the level of the training college, at the level of the training college, at the level of the training college, Nipa bebre are qualified to enter into training college and nurses training college. But as I say, you need sika into the quota. So instead of Accra Training College, befa 300, you know, because sika knew why you did my allowance, you know. Sika into now you fat 300, you fat 100. Leaving the space vacant of almost 200 people. Says any Sikanu that 200 would have been occupied by citizens of this country. In the wisdom of John Dramani Mahama administration, some say, okay, ya peja training colleges, you know, any nursery training, you know, to the tertiary level, at par with the universities and other tertiary institutions, diploma awarding institutions in their account. So, as I say, university ukwa a loan ya edima through the student low trust, you know. Ye the training colleges, you know, so share sa low trust, you know. Na ye be yi allowance, you know. Na it's a year allowance na quarter no any hobium. So ye beti me admiti nipa dudu a school ni beti me afa. So ye and then we place them on the student low trust. Me call university no sa loan trust na mi ji me we no me ko tuya 1,900 as my refunder me ko tuya masinity. And I'm a citizen of Ghana. Your mommy allowance just as those who are in the training colleges. But because of also giving the opportunity to people who are more qualified, because the NDC government appreciate the fact that you have some little expenditure over. So it will be wicked on our part to withdraw the allowance without giving an alternative option of you getting money. And I'm saying, say, this policy was a policy under Kufuor. Abraham Odum, who was the Deputy Minister of Health, a signing memo for the withdrawal and cancellation of nurses training allowances. But they couldn't implement when we came into office. The single span issue by implementation. But yet, assembly.
More implementing why because
there be at that time, have you forgotten, sir? On the 26th of April, Nanado addressed MPP for war Osu. I can say if the economy is broken, fix it. Or catch Professor Mills. So at that point in time, now the economy was not in good shape. So say so we have to put things in order. But me can say, oh, Uncle Kufuor 9.1 or hand over. So, Mami, the issue is that you're taking strategic thinking to allow restore or reintroduce allowance. When you say the training colleges are not taking the full capacity,
it is not true.
There's a quota.
You promise.
There's a quota. But as we speak now, they are training college for say. As we speak now, there's no automatic employment. We are national service. Now national service new, but it's the price to pay for restoration of the national service.
How many teachers did you employ?
How
many nurses did you employ?
Did you not hear yesterday the number? Close to 40,000 are employed.
Be specific.
Now,
how many did you leave them behind?
Open the website of the Ghana Education Service.
How many did you leave behind?
Licensure exams. Licensure exams, you know, they use it as a basis almost disqualify most of these teachers just because they don't have the ability to employ them.
How many people normally disqualify?
Oh, the first one want the number of people who almost throw exams. Nipa almost fail here. A number of them fail. The reintroduction of national service to training colleges. And you hope. So the point is that the John Dramani Mahama administration or share Ghana for share. Tenyakupo no adum na oba. national service teachers no yebechom we reintroduce the automatic employment we reintroduce automatic employment.
That's what when if NDC comes to power.
Yes, God willing.
Okay.
So the issue of cancellation of I can't say allowance okay a known explanation and midmai. I'm sure the wise ones who are listening would notice and will agree say they are NDC 1 year bonny. It is just to ensure say just as they are justifying the wholesale admission of students to senior high school, the same thing we are also saying say Oma qualify more SSS. Now person omo training college any health we know. Quota no inti omotifi omontimi.
Okay.
Inti na ye yi quota no na ye yi allowance ye replace it with student trust student loan trust. Now ubisa say is Ghana ready? Is Ghana ready
for either
a female
president
or a female vice president? Ghana is not an island. Island. In fact, not too long ago, one country ni Oman Penny Baye Oyoba, Onina Nado na Omuko Sirim, Ukai, Omuko Sirim, Omuko Yana ceremony.
Yeah.
Them I mean, why president? Ewo Bibia free. Now, Ghana as a country, we are. Listen,
I'll keep quiet. I'll give you a chance to address it.
Ghana is a civilized country. It's a country that actually gives opportunities to people who have the expertise to perform. Ghana, Ghana, is more than ready to accept a woman as a president of the Republic of Ghana. Okay. A woman, and you know Shefi. If the citizens of this country are not ready, then why do you accept our mothers into our homes?
Then why did you sack Kuredu? Why did you beat Kuredu? If it is good for Nana to be vice president, why did you fight Kuredu then?
Mami Biama.
Uncle Ebo.
Mami Biama. Uncle Ebo. Me feel say or a Democrat, but unfortunately no. Or demonstrate otherwise. Me no. Say we a Democrat. Now ya ako chusu flag bearer. Na wanya. Yambu obia. Mimi wo enya kepkus. Enya kepkus. See, it's not even kepkus. What you are talking about? It's not even. Me see enya kepkus. Sunyani na yekoye sa election. Sunyani na yekoye olusu ye. See, olusu ye. And no Democrat me.
And you sat
there. Me contest the election. Nipa odiunkunino. You compare with me. Distance is far in terms of politics, but me lose here. But me a Democrat in Tinu. My jatum my crowd say me boa na sabio dia ekonya ye hihwe no ye. That is the mark of a Democrat.
Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.